Hello teacher, my name is Janice Ngunya. I told about my abilities and my tutorial is how to organize in your day. Successful people are to be great, get writing tips or management change are if you want to be extremely successful professional and you choose field and you should also learn how to organize a day effectively. And my tips is the number one is plan your day night before. Before going to sleep, make you sure that you're going to start your day with a purpose, with a journal or planner, and put our actions plans for the next day in there. The tip number two is a tool for interruption. Get the frustration out of the picture by setting a time allowance in your plans. The tip number three is start your day with accommodating something big. If you have a big thing that you need accomplishing, do it first. And this way, even if you don't accomplishing anything else, and you can still say that you did something productive and less. The number four tip is use time tracking application to help stay on track. Of course, if you can still check Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, WhatsApp, and the other application, and you just need to plan for it and track your time doing these activities so that you won't get distracted. The tip number five is accepted the fact you are not going to be able to do it all one day. Instead of working on a big project one day and cramming it is arrange milestone instead. Don't get frustrated if you weren't able to finish everything your planet. And the finished phrase to motivate of day is time is creating to say I have done time is to say I don't want loud tissue and get day. Bye.